I'm Mike Anderson, president of Ditch Witch Central California. We really view ourselves as a partner, an ally to the customer with more than just the typical dealership. We provide more than just equipment. We certainly provide the equipment, but we provide what we view as a total solutions to our customers. Well, I think we enjoy not only building crews through our training, but help building companies using Ditch Witch products. We enjoy seeing them be successful. We're concerned about them being successful. And so we take a much more intimate approach to their needs. And when they have issues, they know they can call us and we will help them no matter what time of day or night it is. Without question, you spend any amount of time around this organization, the people, the products, all that we do for you. There's no other organization that I've ever seen or probably ever will see that is as genuinely concerned about the success and profitability of your company than Ditch Witch. There is no question we're in this together.